In our current time, space shortage expanded drastically to become a dilemma for furniture designers, and multifunctional furniture has become the key. So if you're living in a small house, we've brought you some futuristic ideas to help you save some space. Luonto Furniture. This is a flex-sectional sleeper sofa that offers an array of functions with an elegant design including storage, chase, and sleeper all in one. This one is called Flipper Sofa, one of the chic furniture designs. It's paired well with an easy deluxe function. Lift the front plate to reveal the under-seat storage compartment, then fold down the padded backrest to sleep on a full-sized extra-long bed. Wall Beds Furniture. This Romanian furniture company specializes in optimizing house space in the best possible way. It offers services for designing and making furniture too. It makes a lot of brilliant and space-saving ideas like wall beds, expandable coffee tables, and many more. Bumblebee Spaces. Bumblebee creates this modular furniture affixed to the ceiling that comes to you only when you need it. It is provided with integrated sensors to create a responsive home unlike any other. Bumblebee's products come in handy for both work and recreation. It even uses artificial intelligence to search through your belongings and have them lowered right to you, which creates the most beautiful, spacious home. Vilahome Smart Bed. The smart bed with a relaxation chair will be a helpful assistant to beat the fatigue in you. This bed is built in with the most advanced technology, and since most of the product users are interested in the beauty of the product, this piece of furniture has an extremely trendy look. The beds with relaxing chairs also bring many benefits to users. It's not only a bed, but also equipped with a massage chair. Cozy Furniture. This Korean brand offers custom furniture. It makes various living furniture such as built-in cabinets, pull-out tables, shoe cabinets, and more. Cozy's is applying diverse technology for furniture production through long-term research and development to make more convenient and durable furniture. PLATAN furniture. This expandable table is perfect if you're lacking kitchen space. The table's base is made of metal and the top is made of glass. Also, this dining table is made of MDF wood and covered with a glossy varnish. Resource furniture. Resource furniture offers quality transforming and space-saving furniture to make your home more functional, such as compact wall beds, tables, sofa beds, and more. For example, this terrific sofa comes with a chaise lounge and a love seat. It can transform into a straight sofa. Underneath, you have storage. To access the bed, you just move the pillows, pull the shelf down, and there is your queen-sized bed. Pull out this table and its benches and turn a living room into a dining space or working space in just a few seconds.